I'm just thinking about the wonder after what happened to me. I try to consistent on my work. What did I make commitment myself? I'm think about that. If I'm demotivated, then I'm thinking that why did I started my YouTube channel? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sumit Kumar Singh and I'm from Assam and you are watching Practice with Sumit. Yes, today's topic, how do you ask questions and how to reply that answer. Today I'm making this practice video for that how you can ask something, because when you able to ask something then your conversation will longer, right? So how can you able to ask question? So you have to be some basic thing, you have to be know that how to ask question. The question start from do, date, what, how, where, which, what. These are the things that you can start question. And if you have this ability that you able to ask questions with people, then trust me, the 50% English you know. That means you 50% English know, and the things will easy to understand. The main thing is the questions making sentence, because when you able to make questions, then you able to ask people, and people also reply you. So today I am practicing about that how I ask myself to question and how I reply myself. One Today I will practice about one hand I will ask myself and another hand I will reply myself. Let's start from present tense. How to ask in present. So if you don't have any topic, so you can start that till morning to at night. That what you do. So right now I came back to my work and now I'm got time to make video. And you can see that I'm recording myself. This is not a teaching class, this is a practice class. And I'm showing you that how I am practice at my home. Okay. So don't mix it. So let I tell you that how I practice at my home. You have to pay your attention on this video. You will got that how do I make practice, how I am practice my home. Where do you go? I go to market. What do you do? I do work. What is your dream? My dream is become a teacher. What do you think? I think that I want to speak English. Why are you learning English? I'm learning English so that I can make people understand that how to speak English. So you can see guys, this is my way to the practice. Now because I'm the open my camera, so I am the nervous myself. That's why I'm unable to speak, because you can try it. You have lots of things to you can talk about. You have lot of things that you can talking about when a camera is not open. But after opening your camera, you unable to speak as a human being. When you're going to speak the front of people, you unable to speak, right? So this is my practice class. That's why I'm the quite hesitate. But when I'm not open my camera, I'm the very speak fluently. But I don't know that after the open my camera, I'm unable to speak. But still, I'm trying because my motive is that I am able to show you that how I am practice at my home when I get time. So we can do this practice, and there are the lots of things that you can practice about. You can watching the cartoons. And if I'm talking about myself, that I am watching the Ninja Hattori in English language, and sometime Motu Patlu, because Motu Patlu in English language very less. So most of the cartoons I like to watch the Ninja Hattori. It's English language, and because in cartoon, if you watching the cartoon, then in English, in cartoons language, English language is very easy to explain you, and you able to get everything very easily. So that's why I'm suggesting you that you must watch English cartoons. It will help your listening power, right? And I'm the always try to do it. When I get on the bed, then I always listen just 10 to 15 minutes, and it will help me to understand something. And if I'm talking honestly, I'm watching the native speaker, because right now I'm just continuously 1 month ago I'm the watching, and that's a very understandable thing. When you listening more, you able to speak more. So I would like to suggest you that you follow these things. So it's up to you. Every people their own technique to listening, and some people are using singing. Some people are listening songs, and that is also a technique to increase your listening power, right? So you can see I am the fumbling in the between the sentences, but I'm not focusing on it. I'm just thinking that how to speak English. Right now I'm not thinking in Hindi and translate into English, right? Because right now I'm thinking in an English and try to speak in an English, because when I the starting time I'm thinking in Hindi then translate into English, but right now I'm not doing it. Okay, and always try to speak and always try to make it questions, and always try to make questions by yourself, because when you able to ask question you able to reply that questions, got it? And it will help you to connect with people more, because in Indian the Hindi is the mother tongue and the most of the people able to speak Hindi. uh, if I'm talking about Indian people, that most of the people able to speak Hindi and we are the conversation in Hindi, and we have lots of things to speak in Hindi. But when it comes to speak about English language, we have very less topic. Got it? Okay, right. We have very less topic, right? And that's why we are unable to speak. As we speak in our language, that many things we are asking with the, we can break the sentence, we can join and speak the in different way. But when it comes to speak about English, we unable to break it, we unable to join conjunction. So there are the many things that we forget to put in sentence when we speak English. So this situation happen not only me, every people facing this problem. So you can do one thing, you can just learn some conjunctions. Okay, it will help you to improve yourself. And you have to watching every day some grammar rules, because grammar rules also important. The basic, you can start from basic. I'm telling about myself that what how I learn English. You can see that I'm the speak English right now. Okay, not good, I'm not master in English, I'm also struggling. But something I would like to suggest you, I'm not teaching you, I'm just suggesting you. Okay, you just have to learn some of the basic grammar rules, like the present, past, future. This the three times help you to understand that how to make sentence, how to ask questions. Okay, and when you're able to make some sentences, then you feel more motivated, and these motivations help you to boost yourself to speak more, and it will help me a lot. And today you can see day by day I'm uploading videos on my YouTube channels. I'm just thinking about the wonder after what happened to me. I try to consistent on my work. What did I make commitment myself? I'm think about that. And if I'm demotivated, then I'm thinking that why did I started my YouTube channel? Then again I motivate. So I have something that if I'm think about that, then I'm get motivated. So there is something you have also that you have to think and you get demotivated to motivate. So in this way you can improve your English, and day by day you have to put your time on it, and one day will come then when you will also able to speak and you can show the people yes you can do something. And most of the time you have to practice, not more than in 24 hours you have to put just 10 to 20 minutes. And if you are a beginner, then you can start 1 minute and day by day increasing 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes, like this you can day by day increase your time, durations of speaking time. So in this way you can also improving your not only English, everything. If you want to learn something new thing, you can increase your time day by day, and after some time you will get the result, you will see the magic. Yes, it's English is not a rocket science. Okay, it's a piece of cake, you would think like that. And try to speak this phrase in between the sentences, it will also help you to give you confidence to speak English. So you can see that I'm consistently speak the 11 minute and it will become the 12 minute. So when I starting, it's very hardest challenge to me speak 2 minutes and 1 minute, 5 minutes. Day by day I'm increasing my time of speaking. Now you can see in this video I am making very less mistakes, because I'm trying to improve. After recording this video I will listen again this my video that where I made mistakes, and then I will work on those mistakes, because mistakes is help you to make better yourself, right? And you can learn from your mistakes. So if you like this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Until then, take care and bye bye. I hope you like this video.